Chariot sits by the bedside table. The curtains are closed, the cat's in the cradle. Who would have thought that a boy like me could come to this? Oh, I just died in your arms tonight. It must have been something you said. I just died in your arms tonight. Oh, I just died in your arms tonight. It must have been some kind of kiss. I should have walked away. I should have walked away. Is there any just cause for feeling like this? On the surface, I'm a name on the list. I try to be discreet, but then going in again. I lost and found, it's my final mistake. She's loving by proxy, no give and no take. 'Cause I've been thrilled to fantasy one too many times. Oh, I just died in your arms tonight. It